Hello, in this video we will see how we can reset our Windows 11 computer. We may need to reset our computers several reasons, like if your computer is running very slowly, or our computer is affected by malware or viruses, or if we want to sell our computer or transfer our computer to somebody, or some software issues. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, click on the start menu, and then from here type settings over here, or click this settings icon. We just need to go to the settings, or you can start typing here settings, and you'll find the settings application is there. Just click the system settings and it will open like this type of window. From here we have to check the menus from the left side, and one of the menu is system. Right side we don't need to care, only this side system. So I'm going to click here, and once I click system, then right side it will be changed. Here we will find a list of items which are related to system. One of the item is recovery. So if we scroll down a little bit, we'll find one option that is recovery, and it is mentioned like reset, advanced, setup, go back, like that. We need to click here, and then it will open a new page here. Now we are inside system recovery, right? We are in settings window, settings option, then system recovery, and here we might find different types of option to reset our computer. Before resetting, you can also check this thing also, fix problem without resetting the PC. You can try to fix a couple of ways. There are different troubleshoot options are there. You can do that if you want. Otherwise, you can reset your computer by applying the methods which I will going to discuss with you. So here, to reset our computer, then we have this option, reset this PC, and below there is a small description. Okay, choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So basically it has option, it will give you option, you can keep your file, or you can remove everything and reinstall the Windows. So we need to access this thing, and right side we'll see one button is there, that is called reset PC. We just need to click here to start the reset process. Now it will bring this type of new window. Here there will be two options are there. One is keep my files, and there is remove everything. Keep my files means it will remove apps and settings, but our personal file it will store, it will not delete those things. And remove everything means everything will be wiped out. It doesn't matter whether it is a personal file or application or settings, everything will be clean. So whatever the option you are choosing, that is up to you based on your own requirement. But my recommendation is, before doing this hard reset, try to take a backup to some other external USB pen drive or USB hard disks or some other portable device or in cloud, just to take backup and do the reset. In this video I am going to choose this option, remove everything, but you can choose this thing because I already took the backup and I don't need anything of this computer. That's why I am going to choose reset everything, and I am going to select this option. And then once I select everything, it will give us the final option to choose any of these two. So there are two options, like how would you like to reinstall Windows, like cloud download or local install. Cloud downloads means it will download and reinstall the Windows operating system, which is Windows 11. Locally reinstall means reinstall Windows from this device. From this device it will install Windows 11. So I'm going to choose this option, but if your internet is very fast, you can choose that option also. But for my case, I'm going to choose this option, local install. Now additional settings. So here it is showing that remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, reinstall this option, and you can change the settings. But I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to press the next button. Once I press the next button, then it will start like removing everything or removing everything. Basically it will start start resetting the PC. But this is another final option, ready to reset this PC. Okay, so you can check this thing. Basically there is nothing, it is giving the final warning like resetting will what will be the impact, remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC. I know that. Remove any changes made to the settings, okay, we know that. And remove all apps and programs, which we discussed already. And last is remove reinstalls Windows from this device. From this device it will be installed, right? And this will take a while and your PC will restart. That means it will take some time, and couple of times your computer will be restarted. So don't close, don't shut down the computer during the installation process. Okay, so once you are ready and you understand everything, then you are ready to press the reset button. I'm going to press the reset button to reset everything, and here you will see the preparing to reset, and there will be a status bar preparing on %, and it will take some time. Okay, and the device will automatically restart, and it will take like 10 minutes to 30 minutes based on your computer speed or something like that. Okay, here I cannot control anything. Once this status is 100% completed, and then you will see couple of times your computer will be restarted, and once the restart is finished, you will see this type of screen, which is the initial stage of any computer when you buy from a store, or if you try to reinstall or install a new version of 11 OS, that means Windows 11 OS. And that's it, guys. I'm not going to show you more details, but if you want to check how to install Windows 11, you can check my YouTube channel. Over there I make couple of videos how to install or how to bootable your USB drive for Windows 11 installation. Like this type of video I already showed, and there are many tips and tricks for your Windows use. So hopefully those will be helpful. And that's it, guys. In this way we can easily make our Windows like completely brand new, or we can reset our Windows 11 completely. Thank you guys for watching the video.